My name is Viplav Dodeja. I'm a SFBU student. I'm also a founder at Innovate Bay incubator, and I'm here presenting my capstone today at Fremont Tech Week.
What I love about this school is that it's a really small community, so everybody feels really connected.
My name is Pepe Adriozola. I've been teaching here for about almost 3 years now. One of the reasons why I teach here is because the opportunities that they give the students and also the international community that we have here.
If anyone asks me what it's like to be a student at SFBU, the first thing that comes to mind is the collaboration amongst classmates as well as teachers. Everyone here is very helpful and constructive with their criticism.